We are going to go over installing our Harvard's Chrome tour pack. Both of our bags are going to be open to allow some extra clearance here. You can also see that these aluminum barrels have the adapters so that your diameter is correct and it fits on here nice and snug. There's one in the rear and there's also one in the front. A couple other things to note: that on other models like the Chieftain, they do have a color matched body panel insert on both sides of the rear fender, in between the bag and the rear fender. You want to remove those to be able to access these aluminum barrels to be able to put on your tour pack. Also, this is a Saddlemen road sofa seat that is significantly larger in the back than the factory seat, so I did have some fitment issues, but I figured it all out. All right, so you're going to come in kind of under the back of the seat. You're going to go forward until your two front C's are on those aluminum barrels. You do have to pull this little flap out of the way, and you're going to push forward and down until it pops into place. As simple as that. My seat is a lot larger, so I did have to kind of shove this lower cushion down behind the seat, but it does fit. You just got to push it down in there, and that looks fine. Also, you have your clearance there, plenty of clearance, closing the saddlebag. You can see where it is engaged here on the front barrel, and then right back here on the rear barrel. Then you're going to come around and grab your locking tabs, push those all the way down. You will have to loosen your bag and pull it out so that you can install the locking bolt that goes right about here, so that somebody can't steal the bag off the back.